What's up, guys? So today I have the Parrot Anafi, and we're going to go through the first in-app purchase. So we're going to click the screen, and the first in-app purchase is follow me mode. So I've got the camera set up here, I've got the Instamic on, so hopefully you'll be able to hear the audio through this whole thing. But yeah, we're just going to get it up in the air, and then we're going to go through follow me mode. And I'm going to try to just stay around this area, and you'll be able to see that what the camera's doing. But yeah, here we go, guys. Let's do it. So here we go, guys. So we're gonna take off. So far, so good. Hovering in place. All right, so we're gonna go to follow me, guys. All right, so we're gonna draw a rectangle around the subject. Okay. So we're gonna zoom out a little bit. The drone is too low. All right, so that's a good height. Drone is too low again. All right, guys. So now we got it on follow me mode. And it's backing up a little bit. So what follow me is doing there right now, guys, is the drone's not changing position. The drone is just going side by side. So if I walk along this path, the drone's just going to follow me along it. Okay? It's pretty cool. So now that we're moving, let's do so if I move around, it's just going to always look at me. Okay, guys? Just spinning around, backing up. It's going to look at me. All right? So it's got a rectangle on me. Guys, follow me mode's pretty awesome. All right, you saw it was searching around. The plane right above me, so I'm all right, there's a good rectangle. So it looks like the closer it gets to you, it gets a little confused, which all drones should. So I'm gonna select my whole body this time. Okay, guys, and so hopefully, let's go back towards, see if it'll stay close to me or if it'll just stay in its same position. All right, guys, so it's staying in its same position. So let's try, we're gonna try some of these other modes. Oh, that's too much. All right, let's do about there. And we're gonna do Parabola. That was pretty cool. Let's try it again. All right, so what it's doing is it's going straight up at like an angle, and then it's coming back down and looking at me. All right, and so it's back in the original position. So if you do it twice, it does that. So now, let's try torpedo. And we're gonna do 10 meter torpedo. So it's important to know whenever you do this, guys, you got plenty of room to do it. Right now I'm in the middle of a soccer field, so it's got a lot of room. There's a big tree behind the drone right now, but it's pretty far away. So yeah, this little tornado mode's pretty cool. So basically what it's doing is it's going up in a spiral, tornado formation. Now it's coming back down. Coming back down. Looking at me the whole time. So that's pretty cool, guys. So that's tornado. And now let's see what Boomerang does. All right, Boomerang is backing up to do a reveal. Slowing down. Coming back down. And it's coming down slowly, guys. So I feel like that's going to be pretty cool. So let's zoom up. Nope, let's come down a little bit. We're going to come over close to the camera. So maybe we can see that again. All right, guys, so we're gonna go from right about there. All right, and we're gonna try Boomerang again. Here it goes. This one's going straight back. It's going up a little bit. All right, so that was pretty cool. All right, guys, so that was follow me mode with the Parrot Anafi. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, guys, have a wonderful day. Peace out.